Alright guys, so my face is already done because I've been really liking this technique lately. I think I did it like last video, no, because last video was the Ipsy video. The video before last video, I did my brows first and then my face makeup and then my eyes, when usually it's brows, eyes, and then face. So I've been really liking this technique, so yeah. But I have no idea what I'm going to be doing today. We are going out to do some stuff. We're going to be doing some errands, and yeah, so I don't want to go too hardcore, but I want to look glammed, you know? So we're just going to get right into this makeup tutorial. The first color that I'm going to be taking is from this Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and I think I'm going to be taking this color right here. And I'm just going to take this fluffy brush and I'm just going to put that in my crease. And then I'm going to take a different brush and I'm going to take that same color and I'm going to put it on the bottom lash line. And I'm just going to put it on the outer part of the eye and then connect it to the crease up here. Now, I really like, this is probably one of my favorite colors in all of the Wet n Wild, like, palettes, their new palettes, and I don't know why, but I just love the shade. I love, like, the undertone and stuff. So, I'm going to take this one right here. It's just so gorgeous. I don't know why. It's like a purple. It's just very grungy looking, and I really like it. And this is in Comfort Zone. That's the palette, and I just love this color. I'm going to put it on the outer part of the eye and on the outer part of the crease, but I'm not going to bring it up here. I will blend once there's no like product left on the brush of the shadow, but I want most of the product back here. And then I'm going to take this brush where we took the first color in the crease, and I'm just going to blend everything together. Now, the reason why I'm not putting powder under my eyes is because I know that these powders, these eyeshadows, do not have fallout. So I won't be using any powder under my eyes. So, but if your eyeshadows have fallout, you would want to use a powder under your eye. So if you don't use powder, the eyeshadow, the fallout will come on your under eye, and then when you sweep it away, it's gonna like drag and like just be like a line of that color, and you do not want that. I really recommend, if you're gonna be using eyeshadows that has fallout, use powder so you don't ruin your face makeup. Now, since we're done with most of the eye makeup, I want to put a lid color, and we're going to be using this 24-hour Infallible eyeshadow from L'Oreal, and it's the color Amber Rush, and I've been waiting to use this color. I have not used it yet, and this is going to be my first time using it, and I just want to use it so bad. Like, I'm showing you guys it right now. It's so pigmented, it's just so beautiful. So I'm going to grab my finger and just put it on my lid. Now I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take one color from here because I do think I need something dark on the outer part of the eye just to bring it together a little bit more. So I'm not going to take the color that we took on the outer part of the eye to darken it up. I'm going to take a little bit darker of a color, but the same undertone, like a red, like plummy kind of undertone. So I'm going to take this palette, and I'm going to take this one right here. I don't know what it's called, but that doesn't matter. I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm just going to take a little bit at a time because I know these colors are very pigmented. I'm just going to take the same brush that we took to apply the color that we put in our outer part of our eye earlier, and I'm just going to apply it, you know, no biggie, no biggie. And then I'm just going to keep applying the color until I feel like it's like looks good. And I totally forgot about the under eye. I was thinking that I'm going to be doing it after, but I want to do it at the same exact time just to like get it done with. So I'm going to take the color that we took, wait, where's that color? Right here. I grabbed the wrong palette, but we're going to take the color that we put on the outer part of the eye, the first color, this color, and I'm just going to put it on the outer part also. Now I'm going to grab the color that we took from the Jaclyn Hill palette and do the same exact thing, just take a little bit of that color because I don't want it to look too dark under the eye. Now you could totally do a wing, but I'm not going to do a wing. Usually when I do a wing, I usually just do my brows and then my eyes and then my face makeup, so I don't have to like fix it up with like makeup remover because I don't like makeup remover touching my face makeup. So I'm just gonna put a thin line of the Ciate London Fierce Flicks liner, just a thin line near my real lashes, and then I'm gonna put mascara on. I'm gonna put on the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, and then I'm going to, what am I gonna do next? Lashes. I'll let you guys know what kind of lashes when I come right back, because I don't even know what kind of lashes I'm gonna be going for yet. So. Alright guys, so I took two liners. This one is the Smoke and Mirrors black waterline pencil, and I just put it on my upper waterline. And this one is the Rimmel London white waterline pencil, and I put it down on my bottom waterline. Alright, so there's a white in the Rose in the Air palette, and I'm just going to take this color right here and put it on the brow bone. Now I'm gonna do the inner corner highlight. So let me see what I want to wear for my highlighter, because usually if whatever highlighter I'm wearing, I put it in my inner corner. So let me figure out that first, and then I'll tell you guys what I used for my highlighter. Alright guys, so I did my lips off camera and my highlighter. Obviously I said that I was going to do my inner corner highlight and my highlighter, but I also just went ahead and did my lips. For my highlighter, I used two things. I always use like two products. I don't know why, I'm so used to using two products that I'm just like, I'll grab this, and just like, yeah. But I used this L'Oreal 24-hour Infallible eyeshadow in Ice Latte. It's just the same brand, same thing as the other one that I put on my lid. And then I took this NYX Professional Makeup London little kit, and I took the highlighter in that. And I also put some mascara on the bottom lash line, but I kept the mascara back here. I didn't put it in the inner corner of the eye because I want it more open. I just kept the mascara back here. Everything that I used in this video will be down below in the description for you guys. Just in case you guys missed anything, it'll be down below for you guys. My social medias will be down there. Yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.